I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now students, today in continuation with measures of time, we will discuss addition of time. Means how to add the terms given in time. So for that I have taken some questions. The addition of the terms will be the same as we were doing the addition of ordinary numbers, but there is a small twist while getting the final answer. So let's check out the question one by one. First question, in which you have to add the terms given in hours, minute and seconds. And as you can see, the values are already well arranged in its column form. So directly we have to start with the addition process. So let's add this value here. 0 plus 0 gives 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry forward. 3 plus 1 is 4. So now what is our answer? The answer which I got here is 40 hours, 56 minutes and 80 seconds. But this is not the final answer. Why? Because 40 hours, okay. 56 minutes are also okay. But we do not have a value of 80 seconds because the maximum seconds in our clock which we count is still 60 only. But here we are getting 80 seconds. So for that we need to do some conversion. So your final answer will be like this. So what you get here, let's write it here. 40 hours, 56 minutes and 80 seconds. So what you will do, very first is I will break this 80 into two values, that will be 60 plus some value so that the final answer becomes 80. We are not going to disturb these two values, so it is 40 hours, 56 minutes and for this 80 seconds, may I write it as 60 plus 20 because 60 plus 20 gives us 80 and seconds. Now in the next step, this 60 seconds will actually be converted into minutes. So this 60 seconds will become 1 minute and will be transferred to the next section of minutes. So in the next step, we will write 40 hours and then 56 plus 1 minutes. This 1 minute we get it as 60 seconds converted into minutes. And then we are left here with 20 seconds. Clear students? So what is your final answer now? 40 hours, 56 plus 1, that is 57 minutes and 20 seconds. So this is your final answer, in which we get the final answer for the addition of these two values as 40 hours, 57 minutes and 20 seconds. Clear students? I hope this addition term is clear to all of you. Let's take one more example. The second question says you have to add the values which are given in years and months. Years and months. Okay. So now let's start adding 11 plus 9. So here I will add 9 plus 1 which is 10 plus 1 carry. 1 plus 1 gives you 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 1, 2. So what value you get? 23 years and 20 months. Now once again, as you all know, maximum we have 12 months in a year. We do not have a value of 20 months. So in that case, just like we have done in seconds, pairing up here, now we will distribute 20 into 12 plus some value. So let's do that. So here I will write, what is our answer? 23 years and 20 months. Okay students? In the next step, 23 years will be as it is. For 20 months, just because 12 months make 1 year. 12 months make 1 year. So I will be writing it as 12 plus 8. Because 12 plus 8 is also 20 months. Clear? Now, in the next step, now this 12 months will actually get converted into 1 year and 1 year will be added here with 23. So it will become 23 plus 1 years, and along with this we are left with 8 months. So what is your final answer? Your final answer is 24 years 8 months. So this is your total value, or you can say addition of these two terms given in years and months. I hope this solution is clear to all of you. Moving forward to the next value, in which the terms are given in the horizontal form and we have to very first arrange it in the column form. So let's begin with the solution now, and in the solution very first I will be arranging it into its column form. So here is minutes and seconds. In minutes we have the value 17 minutes and 45 seconds. Here 18 minutes and 23 seconds. Now very first we will be performing the operation of addition as we were doing with the ordinary values. So that is 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 7 plus 8, 15, a carry forward and a 3. So what answer now? It is 35 minutes and 68 seconds. Now once again, as you can see, we cannot have a value of 68 seconds. So what we will do? We will make it, or you can say we will break it into a pair of 60 plus 8. So let's do it here. So in the next step we will write the final answer after addition is 35 minutes and 68 seconds. Now 35 minutes will be as it is. For 68 minutes we can write 60 plus 8 seconds. In the next step, this 60 seconds will get converted into minutes and become 1 minute. 60 seconds will become 1 minute and will be added here with the column of, with the value of minutes. So it is 35 plus 1 minute and 8 seconds. So what is your final answer now? 36 minutes and 8 seconds. So this is your final answer for the addition of the third value. Clear, students? Coming to the last part, in which you have to add the values given in years and months. So very first we will be arranging this. So let's arrange this into years and months. So what is the value here? 7 years, 4 months, 8 years, 11 months. Now add the value. 4 plus 1 is 5, then 1, 8 plus 7 is 15. So the value which we get is 15 years and 15 months. Once again, we don't have a value of 15 months because maximum months in a year is 12 only. So once again, let's do the pairing up of this. So we will write it as 15 years and 15 months. This is the sum total when we have added the value here. Now the next step, I will write it as 15 years and this 15 months I will write, or you can say I can write it in the form 12 plus 3 months. So now this 12 months will get converted into 1 year and will be added here. So it will become 15 plus 1 years and 3 months. So what is your final answer? 15 plus 1, it will give you 16 years and 3 months. So this is your last solution. So students, today we have discussed addition of time. So in time, whenever we have to add, addition will be done in the ordinary form. But yes, you have to take care if your any of the value which is in minutes or seconds exceeding 60, then you have to break it into 60 plus value. If it is years and months, and if it is increasing by 12, then you have to break it into 12 plus something value. Right students, so this is how you can perform the addition of time. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the question in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson students. Have a great day.